Have you ever wondered why some women seem to have a magical ability to make their money stretch further and save more efficiently? It's not magic, it's strategy. And today, we're going to delve into those strategies that can turn anyone into a savvy saver. Firstly, we must acknowledge that saving is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices. One of the most effective strategies is to start small. You don't have to save half of your income right away. Begin with 10% or even 5%. The key is consistency. Over time, even the smallest amounts add up. Another strategy is to automate your savings. Many banks offer the option to automatically transfer a specified amount from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way you're saving without even thinking about it. This strategy is especially useful for those who struggle with self-discipline when it comes to saving. Budgeting is also crucial. A well-planned budget provides a clear picture of where your money is going, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, a budget is not a constraint. It's a tool that gives you control over your finances. Impulse buying can be a major obstacle to saving. To overcome this, try the 48-hour rule. When you see something you want to buy, don't purchase it right away. Wait 48 hours. If after 2 days you still want it and it fits into your budget, then consider buying it. More often than not, you'll find that the impulse has passed. Remember, saving money doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's about finding balance. For instance, instead of dining out every weekend, why not learn to cook your favorite restaurant meals at home? Not only will you save money, but you'll also acquire a new skill. To summarize, becoming a savvy saver involves starting small, automating your savings, creating a budget, exercising self-control in your spending, and finding balance in your lifestyle. Remember, the goal is not to live a life of deprivation, but to make smarter choices that allow your money to work for you. In conclusion, saving money is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, consistency, and a shift in mindset. But with these strategies in hand, anyone can become a master saver. Here's to your financial freedom and prosperity.